actions. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today, your friends have tried to show you an act of self-discipline. Now, what is this self-discipline? Self-discipline means that you need to decide your own rules, and it comes from within, inside yourself. See, there are two types of discipline. The first one is induced discipline and second one is self-discipline. In induced discipline, what happens? We ask you to follow certain rules. Like for example, we always tell you to sit straight, don't talk in the class, listen carefully, be attentive. But in self-discipline, you have to decide your own rules. Because you all know what is right and what is wrong for yourself. And we all admire people, those who are disciplined. If I ask you about soldiers, so how many of you admire soldiers or want to be like them? Soldiers who are in army, navy, air force, yes, we all admire them. Why we admire them? Why do we like them? Because they all are disciplined. We all like disciplined people, or even teachers love to talk with disciplined children. So discipline will always help you to reach the goal in your life and to be successful. And everybody have a certain goal. You want to become a doctor or engineer, isn't it? Or a teacher, principal, anything. You all have your own goals. And how will you reach those goals? When you are disciplined. Have you seen ants moving? How do they move? They always move in a straight line, isn't it? Ants always move in a straight line. Even some animals move straight. But do we walk in a straight line when we are moving towards our classroom or towards dining hall, activity hall? Do we walk in a straight line? Sometimes we don't. But from today, everybody will be self-disciplined. Isn't it? Yes, because when you walk straight, hands back, we always also admire you people and proudly say, yes, these are my students who are always disciplined. We should not tell you that please sit straight, please don't talk in the class, do your homework on time. All these things you know that you have to do it. And we all learn this in the school. See, at home, who teaches you good things? Your parents. And in the school, who teaches you? Teachers. Because we all care for you. The third person is never going to tell you that this is right and that is wrong, do this, do that, no. But we all care for you. We all love you a lot. So that is why we all want you to be disciplined. Get up on time.